Hey guys, welcome back once again in this video, and this is Masum here. So in today's video, this video is going to be more crucial, like that. So from today onwards, I will shoot few videos on random topic, like how you can speak in English on any topic easily. So if I ask you that what is behind of me, can you elaborate it, can you explain it? If not possible for you, then in this video I am guiding you. Like I will choose a random topic. I am going to choose a random topic and I will elaborate, explain it about it in this video. Okay, so please, before that, please do subscribe the channel, like this video, comment on this video and share this video. Okay, so now let's come to the main point. So my today topic is that West Bengal election and its result. So actually as I am from West Bengal and I am inhabiting in West Bengal in India. Recently we had an election in our West Bengal and the election went very well, amazing. Okay, the voting percentage increased this time. Okay, and everywhere central forces, everywhere surrounded, and everything went very well. Okay, now if I told you that what about the result, then the result was, guys, shocking. Everyone expected that. But before that, let me tell you that I am not a politician, so never take me as a politician. I am just explaining everything regarding this as a practicing English. Okay, so it doesn't mean that I hate politics. As in our India, we are living a country where everyone is equal in everywhere, and we had the right to cast vote. Our India is democratic country, secular country, and socialist country. So now the result was that everyone expected that Trinamool Congress, the ruling party, they will lead the vote and they will won again. But unfortunately, BJP, Bharatiya Janata Party, won this election very easily. The BJP got more than 206 seats in our West Bengal. Congress got 2 seats, CPIM got 1 seat, ISF got 1 seat, and AJUP got 2 seats. So it was amazing, shockingly. I'm again saying that I'm not a politician. Okay, don't take me as a politician. I'm just elaborating everything in front of you through this video, and as I picked this random topic to elaborate, to explain everything about it. Okay, so guys, in this way, if you will stuck in future, in this way you can take anything, like you can take, as this is my bike, you can take any object and you can describe everything, you can explain everything about that. You can make a sentence, you can make words, you can form a sentence. So after what will happen, to try to make a sentence, if you try to make words, if you try to make a paragraph, like you are writing a story, you are writing a paragraph in your exam. So like in this way you can explain everything, and in this way you can improve your English. Okay, as I have just done. Okay, I believe that if you will speak, if you will practice like this every day, at least 10 to 15 minutes, at least 2 to 3 days in every week, I believe that your English can improve easily. Okay, so if you found this video at least a little bit helpful, then please do subscribe the channel, like this video, and drop a comment in which topic next time you want me to make a video. Okay, as I told you that I will pick a random topic and I will shoot few videos on this. Okay, so till then, guys, keep watching, keep improving, be innovative. Thanks for watching. Jai Hind, bye bye.